won't get actually too involved in this, but basically this is your like platform. You can view it from computer, or there's like an app. I'll be able to view your actual assets over here. You can like set them up like however you want to. If you want to have them all like actually like, labeled, you can obviously change them by plate number or whatever name you need. You can see the allocation of them, speeds, and go on and see video feed from the cameras that are in them, live streaming. You can track the vehicle, like where they've been. You can actually send some commands to the unit. And then you've also got a video playback and track playback. So you can see the past, obviously, videos at different times and track where they've been. Those are the main sort of features. It can do a lot more than that, but at a base level, that is what you're looking at, and it can do it from computer or phone.